Children, yes, this is your EVS revision paper, children. Everybody open your EVS classwork fresh page and put today's date first. Fresh page. Put today's date. Write EVS revision and write the first bit. Yes, write the first bit, children. What is the first bit here? FILL, fill. IN in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Come on, write the first bit. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Now, after writing the first bit, start writing this first blank. Leave one line. After writing first bit heading, leave one line and write this. Cereals. 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 And pulses. 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 Cereals and pulses are food grains. Cereals and pulses are food grains. FOO deferred. GRAINS. Grains. I want finger gap between each and every word, children. Okay? After writing first one, leave one line and write the second one. Leave one line and write the second one. CLOVES, cloves. CLOVES, cloves. And CUMIN, cumin. CUMIN, cumin. ARER, spices. SPICES, spices. Cloves and cumin are spices. Cloves and cumin are spices. Yes? Now what is the third one, children? Third one you write now. Now leave one line and write the third one. Hummingbird. HUMMING. Humming. BIRD, bird. Hummingbird has a straw shaped beak. STRAW, straw shaped. SHAPED, shaped. Beak. BAK, beak. Hummingbird has a straw shaped beak. Which bird has a straw shaped beak, children? Hummingbird has a straw shaped beak. After writing third one, come on, copy the fourth one, children. Fourth one. Birds. BIRDS, birds have. HAVE, have. Birds have a dash instead of teeth. What do birds have? Birds have a beak. BAK, beak. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. Instead of teeth. TEETH, teeth. Did you all write it? I want neat handwriting, children. Give a finger gap. Leave a line between each and every sentence. Now what is the fifth one? A woodpecker has a chisel shaped beak. A woodpecker. WOOD, wood. PECKER, pecker. Woodpecker has a chisel. CHISEL, chisel. Shaped. SHAPED, shaped. Beak. BAK, beak. A woodpecker has a chisel shaped beak. These are the 5 filling the blanks you are going to learn. Yes? In exam, you are going to get these 5 fill in the blanks. Yes? What is the first one? Cereals and pulses are food grains. Cereals and pulses are food grains. Cloves and cumin are spices. Cloves, CLOVES, cloves and cumin, CUMIN, cumin are spices. Hummingbird, HUMMING, humming. HUMMING, humming. BIRD, bird. Hummingbird has a straw shaped beak. Has a straw shaped beak. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. A woodpecker has a long chisel shaped beak. A woodpecker has long chisel shaped beak. Yes, after you complete the first bit writing, come on, go to second bit, leave 2 lines and write second bit heading, children. What is the second bit? Write true or false. Write true or false. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. Yes, do hummingbirds have a flat beak, children? No, it is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. After writing second bit heading, leave 1 line and write first one. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Finished? Now the second one. The birds hold their food in their claws. Yes, birds do not have hands, no? They hold the food in their claws. True. But the birds hold their food in their claws. True. T-R-U-E, true. The birds hold their food in their claws. T-R-U-E, true. Parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground. Yes, will the parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground? No, it is also false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground. False. Yes, children, did you all follow? First bit is fill in the blank, second bit is true or false. These 2 bits you are going to write in your classwork and learn them. Okay? Will you all write it? Again I am reading fill in the blanks for you all, children. You see, cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses are food grains. Cloves and cumin are spices. Hummingbirds have a straw-shaped beak. Hummingbird has a straw-shaped beak. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. A woodpecker has a long chisel-shaped beak. A woodpecker has a long chisel-shaped beak. Now, after that, leave 2 lines. Start writing second bit. What is the second bit? Write true or false. What is the first one? Hummingbirds have a flat beak. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. The birds hold their food in their claws. Sorry, children. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. It is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now the birds hold their food in their claws. True. Birds hold their food in their claws. True. Parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground. Parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground. It is also false. It is also false. Learn and write these 2 bits in your classwork. Yes? తర్వాత రఫ్ బుక్లో ఇవి ఎక్కించుకొని చూడకుండా టెస్ట్ రాయండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్. అర్థమవుతుందా?